Hi, this is the 7th part of bit manipulation series. In this video we will see C program to find whether input number is power of 2 or not. If you did not watch the previous videos, then please watch that videos to get the concept of bit manipulation. So let's start. For example, you are given to take 8-bit number from user and to find the input number is power of 2 or not. Let the number is 00000100, which is 4, so the input number will be power of 2. Similarly, let's take another example 00001000, which is 8, so this number also will be power of 2. So if the number is power of 2, then there will be always only one set bit or single 1 in the input number. Now let's understand the logic of counting number of ones in the input number first. After understand the logic, we will implement in C program. Let's assume input is 00000101. Now if we do bitwise and operation with the input and 1, we will get 1 if LSB is 1, or we will get 0 if LSB is 0. Now in second iteration, if we do right shift the input by 1 bit and do an operation with 1, we will get 0. Similarly, in third iteration, by right shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 1 again. Now in fourth iteration, by shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 0, and the input will also be 0 in this case. Input 0 means there is no 1 or set bit in the input. In such a way we will count how many times 1 occurs at output up till we get input as 0. This is the logic to count ones. Now let's implement it in C program. Hash include stdio.h int main. Now to store 8 bits of data, we will use char data type and also will use unsigned so that 8 bits will be magnitude only and MSB bit will not be signed bit. Input to take user input and output to check output. Now let's take another int variable count to count the number of ones. Let's take input scanf, format specifier for unsigned, char, numerical value is HHU. So now while input is greater than 0, we will do bitwise an operation with 1 and check output is 1 or not. If it is 1, count will be increment by 1. And at every iteration of while loop, input will be right shifted by 1 bit. So finally count will contain the number of set bits or number of ones present in the input. Now if count is equal to 1, then the input will be power of 2. If you want videos like this, subscribe the channel. Thank you.